Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you what to do if Teams notifications are no longer showing in the taskbar. We'll show you how to set up notifications in the Teams app. How to enable notifications in Windows. Enable notifications on Mac. How to clear Teams cache on Windows. And clear Teams cache on Mac. If you can't see notifications on the desktop version of Teams, you should first check settings to make sure notifications are set up correctly. To do that, head up to the top right and click the three dots. Then select Settings from the drop-down. In Settings, select Notifications in the left menu. Then head to the Teams and Channels section, and choose either All Activity, Mentions and Replies, or, if you're using customized settings, make sure Chat and Calls are included. If you still can't see notifications, you can check to make sure they're enabled on your device. In Windows, click the search bar, and type Notifications. Then open Notifications and Actions. Now scroll down and locate Microsoft Teams. And if it's disabled, toggle it on. If you're using a Mac, open System Settings, or System Preferences from the dock. Then go to Notifications in the left menu. Now scroll down and select the Microsoft Teams application. If it's off, toggle on Notifications in the top right. And then choose to display banners or alerts. If notifications are enabled in the Teams app and on your device, there could be a problem with corrupted cache. To resolve the problem in Windows, right-click the Teams application in the taskbar. Then select Quit in the pop-up. Once Teams is closed, open File Explorer. Then head up and select the address bar. Here, type %appdata %\Microsoft \Teams \cache. Now hit Enter. Select all items in the cache folder, then right-click any of the selected items, and click the bin icon to delete them. Once that's done, restart Teams. To solve the problem on a Mac, right-click the Teams application in the dock. Then select Quit from the pop-up. Next, head up and click Go. And select Go to Folder in the drop-down. In the search box at the top, enter the on-screen path, or copy and paste it from the video description. Once you've done that, hit Enter. Now delete the cache folder. Or go into the cache folder, select all items, then right-click and select Move to Bin. When you're done, restart Teams. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.